let's turn to another of our special reports. Our continuing focus on the row over the Aravalli Hills definition that has now sparked a political showdown in Rajasthan. The Congress claims that this entire new definition will set the stage for the plunder of the region, even pointing out to our alleged complaints that have been made, saying that mine owners are being forced to pay up if they want to continue mining in some parts. The opposition party, in fact, shared a letter written by a mining company owner to the Prime Minister's office in June this year, alleging demands for a bribe by a state official. The BJP is rejecting the charges being levelled by the Congress. At the heart of it is the Alwar MP and Union Minister for Environment, Bhupender Yadav, who's now being targeted by the opposition. Take a look at this report from Dev Ankur Vadhawan in Jaipur.
The recent Supreme Court order redefining an Aravalli Hill as 100 meters above local relief has sparked anger. Activists claim this will pave way for further erosion of the ancient mountain range already hollowed out by indiscriminate mining. These images from Alwar tell the story. A hill slowly being crushed into pieces, even though mining is suspended under grabbed restrictions triggered by pollution. The Aravallis have heated up politics in the desert state. The Congress has rejected the Narendra Modi government's claim that only 0.19% of Aravallis will be open for mining.
अरावली की आत्मा पे चोट पहुंचा करके और गाइडलाइन चेंज करा करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट से फैसला करा करके इस अरावली का 68,000 हेक्टेयर का इन जो माइनिंग व्यापारी हैं उनके लिए खोलना गलत है। हमारी आत्मा के ऊपर चोट पहुंचाई गई है।
To target the BJP, the Congress also cited a mine owner's letter to the Prime Minister and other union ministers alleging a demand for 2 crore rupees bribe by a government official.
लोगों ने इस चीज को लेकर शिकायत भी की है। वहां के एक माइन ओनर ने भी शिकायत की है पीएमओ को। तो जो इरादे इन लोगों के हैं वो अपने उद्योगपति मित्रों को फायदा देने के लिए ये पूरा अभियान चल रहा है।
The BJP rejected Congress's claims.
मैं प्रामाणिकता के साथ कर रहा हूं कि वर्तमान में जो खनन हो रहा है आपकी गलत नीतियों की वजह से उसके अंदर आने वाले समय में कम होगा, बढ़ेगा नहीं। क्योंकि अभी जो आप खनन कर रहे हो उसमें 500 मीटर का दायरा परिभाषित नहीं है, अब 500 मीटर में कमी होगी।
Former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot claimed the new definition of Aravallis follows a failed bid to expand mining near Sariska Tiger Reserve. The Rajasthan government had declared 881 square kilometer area of Sariska as critical tiger habitat or CTH. Mining within 1 kilometer of this area was prohibited. In 2025, the BJP government in Rajasthan proposed changing the boundary of Sariska's CTH. The Congress alleges the BJP government planned to revive more than 50 marble and dolomite mines that had shut down due to CTH restriction. On June 24, 2025, the Rajasthan State Wildlife Board passed the proposal. June 25th, the National Tiger Conservation Authority approved it. On June 26th, the Central Committee of the Union Government approved it. But on August 6th, the Supreme Court stayed this decision.
3 दिन में 24, 25, 26 जून को जो प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया था सिरसा के अंदर उसको आपने 3 दिन में राजस्थान वाइल्ड लाइफ बोर्ड, केंद्र के टाइगर से संबंधित जो कमेटी है, अथॉरिटी है, और तीसरा जो केंद्रीय वाइल्ड लाइफ बोर्ड है, केंद्रीय वाइल्ड लाइफ बोर्ड ने भी 3 दिन में पूरी फॉर्मेलिटी करके सुप्रीम कोर्ट में रिपोर्ट पेश कर दी।
The latest assertion by the Union Environment Minister that mining can be seen only in 0.19% of the area related to Aravalli is something which the Congress claims can lead to widespread mining in 68,000 hectares of land and is something which can disturb the ecological balance of the area. With Himanshu Nalwar and camera person Manish Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur for India Today.